Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. In the video C05, we saw how to send data from an ESP32 to the IoT platform Thingspeak. These data are usually sensors data. In this video, we will see how to get data from Thingspeak using an application that we will create with MIT App Inventor. Basically, the ESP32 will send data every period of time, and the app will send a request to the platform, and the answer will be the last value of a specific field. This is my Toyota program. Here I'm sending data every 1 minute. In Thingspeak, I'm already getting the data. I say that the application will send the HTTP request and will get an answer. This is the request that I needed to send to get the last two values of field 1. To get just one last value, just change this. Now we will open MIT App Inventor. Create a new project. Here I will add a button that will send the request, and I will add a first label that will contain the full answer and a second label that will contain the last value of field 1. Don't forget to add the web component responsible of sending the HTTP request. Now I will program the button to send the HTTP request. Now I will display the value of the answer inside the first label. Now I will try with the component to see if the code works. What you see here is my phone. When I click on the button, I get the answer. Here, the answer is in a JSON format, so I need to handle it in a different way. I will create a variable. This block will convert the answer into a dictionary, a structure that we can handle easily with the MIT App Inventor. Now, this is the tricky part. We need to use this block to get the specific data from the JSON answer. Here, I need to create a list because field 1 is inside a tree. Here, the 0 here is just the order in the result list. I'm changing to 1 because on App Inventor counting starts with 1. It is confusing, but when you test, you will see. Now I'm testing with my phone, and as you can see, the last value for now is 10. I will also check on Thingspeak. You will find the full code of Tuniot and the app in description. In the end, I hope that you liked the video and see you soon. Bye.